Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today is the lecture number 14 of BBA semester 4 business communication, and today is the last lecture in a video form, but just only two lectures are remaining in a discussions form. So in this way now the total lecture 16's numbers come to complete. So today is the last lecture in a video form and last topic, utilization of information technology, effectively selecting and using tools appropriate to the task. Describe the influence of culture diversity in the workplace and demonstration of effective communication. So first of all we should know what is the information technology. So today is the time of technology. Now the all kind of the technology, various kind of the technology is being used in various walks of the life. Its chief object is to make it easy, any kind of the process and convenient. So information technology basically is a kind of the renewing activity to improve in operation in various fields such as industry. Traditionally and informally, to make convenient our works is called information technology. So as a whole, the selection tools are what you will use to select portion of an image, to edit, to convey, to make it convenient. While each of these tools are for selections, so they differ in how they go about selecting and their levels of the sophistication. Rectangular marquee, you can select rectangular proportion of an image with this tool. So culture diversity can affect the workplace in numerous ways. Negative effects can include miscommunication, creation of barriers, and communication of the barriers and dysfunctional adaptation behavior. Culture diverse workers have different opinions, thoughts, beliefs, norms, customs, values, trends, and traditions. So what is culture diversity? The culture diversity is about appreciating that society is made up of many different groups with different interests, skills, talents, and need. It is also means that you organize that the people in society, people in a workplace can have different religious beliefs, and also their sexual orientation to you are also totally different with one another. So effective communication in the workplace is very important for companies, for organization to work efficiently and be productive. Employees can experience increased morale, productivity, and commitment if they can communicate up and down. A company's communications change workplace is very important for companies because it allows companies to be productive and operate effectively. Employees can experience an increase in morale, productivity, and commitment if they are able to communicate up and down the communication chains in an organization. The workplace communication is the process of exchanging of information and ideas, both verbal and non-verbal, between one person or group and another person or the group, written and organization. Effective communication is critical in getting the job done as well as building a sense of trust and increasing the productivity of employees. So these may have different cultures and backgrounds and can be used to different norms to unite all activities of all employees and restrain from any missed deadline or activity that could affect the company negatively. Communication is crucial. Effective workplace communication ensures that all the organizational objectives are achieved. The workplace communication is tremendously important to organization because it increases productivity and efficiency. The ineffective workplace communication leads to communication gap between employees, which causes confusion and also is not more than the wastage of the time. So as a whole, basically a place where a different kind of the people working, so you must keep all kind of the some important rules to make a effective communication. So it means that you can also use information for the conveyance of the information, some effective rules, and also you must select very carefully. So now it is a common practice that the people can never go against their culture, because we have already observed, and also it is also in practice in African countries and those countries which are not much advanced and progressive. So they feel always hesitation. They feel always hesitation to adopt a new information technology. They consider that it is not allowable religiously and also on a religiously and morally. So as a whole, they feel hesitation and also hesitant to adopt a new information technology and some tools which are also used for the accomplishment of this purpose. So as the reduces productivity, misunderstanding that causes confusions, frictions between peoples, so can be avoided by effective communication, effective workplace communication. So effective communication, also called open communication, prevents barriers from forming among individuals with companies that might impede progress in stringing to reach a common goal. The another important aspect to have effective workplace communication is taking into consideration the different backgrounds of employees. While diversity enriches the environment, it can also cause communication barriers. So there are some important ideas to promote communication at a workplace. Listen to your team members. Now create a communication friendly space and ask for feedback. Host team building games. Open a platform for anonymous feedback. Have monthly one-on-one meetings with them, and so you must give a final thought to him for the discussion. So as a whole, we can say that such kind of the activities which can also be accommodated according to the requirement of the employees, where a lot of the peoples from different culture related also working. So it is important for a person how he communicate effectively without hurting their fundamental beliefs, because it is up to a demonstrated communicator how effectively he conveys message without hurting them spiritually, morally, and religiously. Because it is a common thing, because his only object is to get his company's advantage, make it assure that, and urges them to work effectively and very accurately for the mutual benefits of the company. So it is a golden principle without hurting all different kind of the people. They belong to different kind of the cultures to get the productive output from those people. So if a person is unable to convey, is unable to communicate effectively, so he cannot, or he is unable to get out the output from the related project या related persons, related authority. तो as a whole information technology can be very helpful in this way. So first of all he should make them convince in the favor of such kind of the technology. So his only chief object should be to enhancement in the productions and also to maintain a mutual understanding with them and also to create such kind of the friendly environment with them. So in this way they can also ready to adapt themselves according to the requirement of the situation, because now the using of the some tools of latest information technology can consider for them as a intervention in their red lines situation. So we should very carefully use such kind of the tools, while as well as we should careful about the purpose of our basic objects, purpose of our discoursement. So as a whole the use of the technology and selecting the appropriate tools to describe the influence of the culture diversity in the workplace and a demonstration of the effective communication skills to accommodate all these skills and their chief object is to learn and get more and more in a such kind of the 10 style environment. Thank you so much.